Hello, this is the week number 5 announcements. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. So normally on campus it's pretty quiet, but yesterday a whole bunch of buses dropped off about 1,500 high school students, and they're living here for the rest of the week as part of the Christ and Youth Conference. So it's not as quiet as it is sometimes. I really like this week's topics. We're going to talk about freedom, chance, randomness, the structure of the cosmos, those kinds of things. So you've already seen some of the great stuff from Dr. Langer, Dr. Kleist, and Dr. Tonnes. And then we're going to talk about probability coming up next. So good job on your homework recently. I know chapter 10 was a little bit hard, but I see that you guys figured out for the most part, so good job. Also, I've enjoyed reading your responses from those videos recently. You have some interesting stuff to say. And I noticed that several of you pointed out one of my favorite phrases from the whole semester when Dr. Kleist says, "We are no more and no less than sons and daughters of God." Sort of that's a good way to think about our place in the world. Okay, so there are two big things to be thinking about this week. First is your creative project. I like the ideas you guys came up with for your projects. Lots of interesting things. I'm looking forward to seeing them. If you didn't hear from me from email, that means your project is okay. I didn't have anything to add or anything to say. Now, remember, you need to take a picture. You need to have some way of showing us your project, so take a picture of the project if it's something physical or if it's some artwork. I was interested to see that several of you are doing video projects. So for videos, what you'll need to do is to put it on YouTube or Vimeo or something and send us a link. Now, if you don't want the whole world to see, Vimeo lets you put passwords on your videos, and YouTube lets you do, I think they're called unlisted videos, so you can do it that way if you like. So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with that project. The second big thing to be working on is that at the end of the week you have your second test, quiz number 2 over the recent chapters. So same as before, it's open book, open notes, but you may want to practice a little bit before you work on that. In addition, don't forget to finish up your regular discussion responses for class number 9 by Tuesday night. And then on Thursday you have class number 10 about probability, the videos, the discussion, and the little quiz on that too. Alright, so there's a lot to be working on. Hang in there. Hope you guys have a good week. I'll talk to you next week.